Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna create a gaming room. Thinking of a gaming room, first thing that comes to mind is a teenager, dark colors, neon light, big monitor screen, basically a fun space. To create that room, I will use only products from a catalog. Let's see how that goes. I've chosen a concrete floor and now I will add some dark colors on the walls. I will use the pre-lit wall panel to add some dimension to the room. And the black paint for the rest of the walls. Now I will add desk with the gaming setup. I will create a lounge area and then we'll add some decorative pieces. And that's how the gaming room looks on renders. Hope you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching and see you next time.